Hello viewers, today we'll learn about main methods in Java, how it is used, how it works. Those are all things we will see today. What is main method in Java? As we all know, main method is the entry point for Java programs. It is the default signature which is predefined configured into JVM. That's why we cannot change the signature of it. This method is called a JVM to execute a program line by line and in the execution after completion of this method. So this is the main entry point from where JVM executes your code. Now, why we need main method? We need main method because this is the entry point, and if there is no main method, the program will not get executed. To execute a program, JVM is always searching for the main method to start executing the program. If main method is not there in the program, then JVM throws the error. And it is always public static void main and string args. This is the default signature that is provided. Now, why it is public? Since it is supposed to be called by JVM without creating an object and from outside of the application, that's why it has to be public. Why it is static? It is static because it makes a class method so that it can be called using class name without creating an object of the class. JVM doesn't need to create the object and then call your method, so that's why it is static. And why it is void? Because it doesn't return anything to the JVM. JVM doesn't need any return anything in return. Now, main method name should be main of the method which is called by the JVM. The main method accepts only one argument of type string array. So if you, while executing, if you want to pass some input parameters, then those parameters gets accepted inside this string argument. Now, we have seen why we need public static void main. Let's see what these things are. So in case of Java, public is the access modifier, similar to we have like public, private, protected, the access modifier. So public is the access modifier, static is the keyword, then return type is the void is the return type of any method, and main is the method name, and string is the class, and args is the array of string. So this is the what it is in public static void main. Public is access modifier, static is keyword, void is return type, main is the method name, string class, and then array of strings. Remember, keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Now, whenever any program in Java is written, when we compile it with Javac, it gets converted into class file, and the class file then gets executed by the JVM. Then JVM calls the main method of a given class and then execute it. So so main method is the entry point from where the execution starts of any Java program. The sample Java program, you can see any sample Java program which needs execution. This is one of the Spring Boot application where we have to write public static void main to let the JVM know that this is the place from where you need to start execution of this application. Let it be Spring application, let it be normal, any Java application, it has to have main method. Now, public is used to make, as we have seen, public is used to make the method accessible by all. Static is used to make a static method of the class by class. Static method can be called without using any object, just using the class name is enough. Being static, it means that it can be called by the JVM using the class name dot method name notation. Void means that it doesn't need any return type, and string args represents a function parameter that is an array of string object. This array holds the command line argument passed by to the application. So today we have seen what is public static void main, what are the different attributes of it, why it is public, why it is static, why it is void, and what is the main method. So I hope this clarifies queries, and this gives you information about Java main methods in Java, why we have main method and what are the different attributes, and what is the signature and why those signature are as it is. So if you have any question related to Java main method, do write in the comment box. We'll try to resolve those. Thank you so much for watching, and if you think the videos are helpful and informative, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.